Welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me for today's meditation. Today we'll be focusing on cultivating a sense of abundance in our lives. Abundance isn't just about material wealth, although that can certainly be a part of it. It's a feeling of overflowing prosperity, security, creativity, joy, and the freedom to pursue your passions. It's about knowing that the universe is a place of infinite possibility and that you are worthy of receiving all the good things it has to offer. So get comfortable, settle in, and let's begin our journey towards greater abundance. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, whichever feels most supportive. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that's more comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and completely, exhaling with any tension you may be holding. Now bring your awareness to your physical body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Notice any areas of tension and consciously relax those muscles. Imagine a warm, golden light flowing through you, washing away any stress or worry. With each inhale, visualize yourself breathing in abundance. See it as a golden light, a feeling of possibility and prosperity. Feel this energy filling every cell of your being, radiating outwards. Now shift your focus to a time in your life when you felt truly abundant. It could be a feeling of security, overflowing love, a time of great creativity, or even a period of unexpected joy. Recall the details of this experience. The sights, sounds, smells, and most importantly, the emotions you felt. Allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in this memory. Notice how this feeling of abundance connects to your core values. Perhaps it gave you freedom to pursue your passions, a sense of security to explore new possibilities, or the ability to share your gifts with the world. Recognize how deeply connected you are to this feeling of wealth, and how it extends far beyond just material possessions. Take another deep breath, filling yourself with the golden light of abundance once more. Now visualize your goals and dreams. See yourself achieving your ambitions, not just financially, but in all aspects of your life. Imagine the joy, fulfillment, and positive impact these successes will bring. Recite these affirmations fully, embracing their immense power. I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I am worthy of prosperity and success. I am a magnet for positive opportunities. Let's repeat it once more, this time with conviction. I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I am worthy of prosperity and success. I am a magnet for positive opportunities. Shift your focus back to your breath. Feel the energy of abundance flowing with each inhale and exhale. Let go of any limiting beliefs or fears surrounding wealth. Trust that the universe is conspiring to support you on your journey. Now, visualize yourself taking inspired action. See yourself making steps, big or small, towards your goals. Feel the excitement and determination fueling your every move. Recognize that abundance is not just about receiving, but also about actively creating the life you desire. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few more deep, cleansing breaths. Feel the warmth and peace radiating throughout your being. Remember, this feeling of abundance is not confined to this meditation. It's a part of you now, a source of inner strength and a guiding light. As you gently open your eyes, carry this energy with you throughout your day. Notice the opportunities that arise, the creative ideas that spark, and the sense of confidence that empowers you to take action. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to attract wealth and success, not just by waiting for it, but by actively cultivating the mindset and taking inspired steps towards your goals. Keep this meditation close to your heart and practice it regularly to strengthen your connection with the abundant universe within and around you. Thank you for joining me today. May your journey towards abundance be filled with joy, inspiration, and success. Until next time, take care.